Disruptive technology doesn't have to be disruptive. Planning a digital strategy doesn't have to be intimidating, though the term disruptive technologies may evoke images of chaos or the smooth flow of operations coming to an abrupt halt. Of course, you can't risk delays of any kind. Delivery to customers must remain uninterrupted. Don't worry, when it's done right, a digital strategy only breaks the rigid confines of old-school thinking, of outdated regimens, processes, and services that are no longer relevant to today's market. To remain competitive, you must modernize. That requires updated thinking, as well as new technology that will help you connect and align with customers, colleagues, suppliers, and the extended supply chain. You want to make operational technology work for you, instead of holding you back or getting in the way. This digital evolution can occur through strategic, well-planned processes. You can transition to new digital technologies by using cross-functional teams, each working on different aspects. You can also adopt a phased approach, which breaks the larger goal down into manageable bite-sized portions. The gains from Phase 1 can even fund Phase 2. Your early wins will build momentum and gain support as you go. So what else can you do to harness the disruption and control it? Infor can help you plan a strategy. First, you need a solid foundation of these elements. Mobility, for remote access wherever you are. Visibility, for an end-to-end view of your entire enterprise. Usability, for simplified reporting, dashboards, and collaboration tools. And agility, for timely, proactive response to unfolding trends, whatever the next big idea in your industry may be. But how can you achieve mobility, visibility, usability, and agility all at the same time without disrupting what you're doing successfully right now? A modern ERP solution from Infor is the answer. Infor solutions manage your enterprise with built-in industry functionality, so you don't need to bother with cumbersome modifications. Solutions can be deployed on-premise, or you can take advantage of Infor Cloud Suites for ultimate agility and ease of deployment. Infor ERP solutions will put you on the road to achieving a heightened level of efficiency. You'll operate as a modern digital enterprise in months, not years, and all without obstacles or detours getting in the way. Instead, customers will only see you as faster, more innovative, more collaborative, more responsive, and more tuned into the products and services they want, and the way they want to do business with you. What's most important is that you get started now. For more information about Infor solutions and services, visit infor.com and chat with a representative.